Hey guys, welcome to Testing Academy. My name is Pramod and welcome to the this series where we are discussing about a very important topic, which is what is the future of manual testing. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the top 3 myths about the manual testing and what is the future that I think, and what one of a few of my points that I'm going to discuss about the manual testing. So if you are excited, so let's get started. All right guys. Yes. Right. So these are the three important myths that I have basically added. And I think it's one of the important thing that you should know if you are any kind of a manual tester, or even if you are a automation tester, want to switch to automation, want to advance your automation career, right? These are the important three things that you should know. And these are myths basically, I would say. And let me know in the comment below what you think about this, and if you agree, let me know in the comment. If you disagree, let me know in the comment. This is one of the important things that I would like to discuss. Why? Because lots of people are asking me what is the future of manual testing. I am a manual tester, what should I do now? These kind of stuff, right? So let's jump into the myths. The first one is very important one, guys, which is manual testing is dying. Everyone means I have like I had like couple of discussions with one of the top QA leads of this company, like company from India, I would say from Asia Pacific also, and people are discussing that manual testing is gonna die. Trust me, I have written this very clear point that manual testing is here to stay. It won't vanish, and neither automation can completely replace manual testing. This is what I think, and manual testing will not die. But my point here is that manual tester will have certain problems. Will start having these certain kind of a problem because lots of things are right now are moving towards the automation. Let me know in the comment if you agree with this, right? So this is, I would say, it's a myth, totally a myth. Manual testing is not dying, right? uh, Second important myth that they talk about mostly is that manual testing is boring. Guys, I totally agree with it. It's not a myth. But my point here is that it is boring. Manual testing is boring. But let me ask this question from you, right? Do you consider yourself as a SME, which is subject matter expert of that product? If you are like, if you have achieved 100%, it means you know everything about that product, right? Then it will be definitely will be boring for you, right? Because you have no, you know most of the things about this product, and you are doing the same task every means again and again, repetitions. That's why it's boring, right? And if you are doing it repetitive, why you are not automating it? Why you are not learning to automate it? Basically, let me tell you one of my scenarios, right? I even I have started as a manual tester, right? I have means I have noticed that there's a particular task with Excel that I was doing continuously, means daily I have to do certain stuff. What I did, I have created certain batch files, right? Batch files, VB scripts were allowed in that company, right? At the time, I learned about that VB scripts as well as batch files, created it and automated it, right? So that's what we have done. So if it is boring, if it is the task that you think it's a boring, why not automate it? Give some extra hours in your job, like work on Saturday, Sunday, take 2 hours or 1 hours and solve that problem. You will be, I would say, definitely if that solves any kind of a problem, definitely people will praise you for this, right? Definitely. And if you, so my question is, ask yourself if you are a complete SME. If not, definitely you have to new things to learn, so it should not be boring. If you have complete manual knowledge, do you have complete manual knowledge? Do you know how, what are the different blackboard testing techniques are there? Have you implemented it? Have you worked with a different kind of decision table, state transition, pairwise, right? Learn about them, definitely implement them, right? So definitely this is how you can basically break the myth that manual testing is boring, right? So let me know in the comment what you think about this also, right? So third myth is all about manual testing will be replaced by automation testing, and this is, I would say, people are crazy about it. Why? Uh, right now, as you know, like there are lots of new and new automation testing tools are coming on, and people are saying that manual testing will be done, right? It will not be, means you will be basically moving towards the automation in the end. No company will require any kind of a manual testing, but no, I will totally, I have a different way, different point, sorry. It's that manual testing is staying 100%. Whenever we are doing any kind of a new feature release, we have to do certain manual testing. After that, we'll move to automation, right? And if you have seen, automation is mostly done for functional and regression, right? For new cases, new features, you don't write code first, right? Most of the time, and you have to verify the new feature that I have already done with manually, right? So that is the thing, and that will be that will be like I would say will keep going in that case, right? All right. So these are the three important myths, and let's talk about the another important topic, which is why you are watching this video is future of manual testing, and this is my perspective in that case, right? So I would say that only manual testers who have only knowledge about the manual testing will have a problem in the future. That's important thing. Manual testing is not dying, but manual tester will have certain kind of issues. I would highly recommend if you are a manual tester, start learning certain type of automation. Start with API testing. You can watch playlist, or you can enroll in some courses, right? Whatever you want. Invest in yourself. Start moving towards the automation. Apply it. You will definitely learn it, right? Automation testing is not about only coding. You can learn some of the basics concepts about the automation and start implementing, right? Eventually, you will learn. I would say more and more tools are coming, and will create and will definitely eliminate the manual testing, I would say, right? So more and more tools are coming, right? If you have seen in previously, we were manually doing CSS, manually testing the CSS changes, right? We will basically open our web pages, we manually verify if the font is missing or not, these kind of stuff, right? Right now, if you see, it is totally replaced with the visual regression testing. Like Per se is there, Apply tools is there. Like there are automation tools which basically help you to do that, right? And they are very much perfect in that case. So that's what I'm concerned about. So that's where the manual testing definitely will replaced with the new set of tool of automation in that case, right? If you know automation cost is always it is always costly, right? The ROI in long term for automation is great, but if you talk about for if you have small companies, startups, right? Definitely they will require certain kind of a manual tester, but the amount will be less in that case. So I will highly recommend if you're a manual tester or even in the automation starting, right? Start moving toward the advanced stuff of automation. If you are a manual tester, start learning it. If you are already an automation tester, start moving toward the advanced automation side, right? Yeah. So manual testing for a new feature will definitely will stay. You like if you are creating a new feature, you will require to do manual testing, and after that you will basically automate the functional as well as regression part of it, right? So that's what is important. The last point is important, which is tool will help the manual tester, but will not replace them. Whatever the tools are coming, they will not replace them, but they will help them. So make sure you are moving towards the automation in the end. So over the crux of the full video is all about that you have to switch from manual to automation. Start learning it. If you are a manual tester from for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, start learning automation. Start with the basic one. Try out, do some automation framework, create some automation framework in the free time, in Saturday, Sunday. Invest in yourself, guys, and make sure you are moving towards a greater goal, which is automation, right? So this is all about the future of what manual testing. I hope you have learned something new, and let me know in the comment what you think about the what is the future of manual testing from your side. I'll see you in the next video. Click on the link below.